I'm Allison, and I manage the South Yoga Center, and I also teach Kundalini Yoga. When I first started, it was like, what's that weird small class that's going on, randomly during, once or twice a day. And now it's really turned into something big, and I really found that out last summer when I went to the summer solstice celebration in New Mexico for the Kundalini folks. And people would say, oh, you're from Austin, Texas. What do you do? I said, well, I teach Kundalini. I work with Yoga. Everyone had heard of it. Everyone knew that there's a big Kundalini community in Austin, Texas. And I was like, wow, we've got something really special and really big here. It got to the point where I was coming daily, and I was one of those people that had to go to Mahtab's class every week. And slowly but surely, he started asking me, when are you going to do teacher training? And people I worked with were like, when are you going to do any teacher training? I had worked here for 1.5 years and not signed up for any of the training. So I was like, well, no, I'm a student. And once I got into teacher training and started learning, getting the foundation of Kundalini Yoga, I was like, why didn't I do this before? What I really wanted out of the teacher training was to learn more about the hows and whys. How does this work, and what are we doing, and who are you people, and that kind of deal. Once I got out of teacher training and started teaching, my personal practice just went through the roof. I realized, oh, this is why Mahtab and other people were saying, just do teacher training. I was like, well, I don't know. It's for my own personal growth.